Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today I'll be sharing my tips on how to make this easy, creamy, and delicious bechamel sauce. To make it easier for you, I've included the list of ingredients and measurements in a recipe card at the end of the video. To get the most out of this recipe, I encourage you to watch it all the way to the end. The tips I share will help to bring your bechamel sauce to the next level. You'll be able to use this recipe as the base for your delicious white sauce. So without further ado, let's get in the kitchen. Start by placing your saucepan on low to medium heat. Then add a quarter cup or half a stick of butter. The secret to perfect creaminess is to have a 1-to-1 ratio of butter to flour. As your butter melts, add a quarter cup of flour to the pan. Use your spoon to stir it consistently. The 1-to-1 ratio tip will be easy to remember when you start to make your roux. As your flour gets absorbed into the butter, reduce your temperature to the lowest setting. Remember to keep stirring and let it cook for approximately 2 minutes. Your mixture will start to get frothy and creamy, which is a sign to move to the next step. At this stage, we're ready to add liquid to our roux. Remove your pan from the heat and add 1 cup of milk to the mixture, stirring consistently. Whisk your mixture vigorously and you will notice that it will start to thicken up. Now add your pan back to low heat. Add another cup of milk to your mixture. Continue to stir vigorously. As you continue to whisk, your sauce will become silky smooth. Continue to cook on low for an additional 3 minutes. At this point, you can add a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, depending on what you're making. You can also add a quarter teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, which will round out the flavor. Go ahead and taste your sauce and adjust it accordingly. And just like that, you've made a delicious, mouth-watering bechamel sauce. Customized by adding creamy cheeses to amp up the flavor. This bechamel sauce makes a delicious base for white pizza. Add it to your favorite pastas or seafood recipes and enjoy. As promised, I've included a recipe card for you right here. Be sure to check out our playlist for other delicious recipes. Hit the bell notification to be the first to receive our new recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and remember, the grass is always greener where you water it. See you next time.